Hello to my all friends, followers, listeners, and dear traders, all buddies and bests. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. At binary.com lovers, today I'm going to show you an awesome strategy which is based on guppy strategy. What is guppy strategy? Simply, you need to learn about guppy strategy. Go and Google what is guppy strategy. Guppy trading strategy. Simply click on Google and search about guppy trading strategy, how learn this, how trade using this strategy. Okay, and you will learn a lot of things from Google. Okay, and now let's start the setup of strategy, how to set up the strategy and how this strategy works. Simply, you need to add some, sorry guys, let me off my data. Okay guys, now it's time to set up the strategy. First of all, you need to set up the moving averages, then stochastic, and then the CCI window. The first of all, we'll tell you about moving average on main chart. Simply click on F and go and record the moving averages. Okay, the first one moving average, you will start from 1 exponential, apply to close and pixel 4 color and choose red and simply click on done. Again come back second one, okay, and again come to third one. Like that you need to complete this till, look here, 31. And once 31 done, simply click on done, that your chart setup is done. So remember what I said, 1 to 33 exponential moving averages. Start from 1, okay, and add till 33. Okay, till 33 you added a lot of moving averages. Now it's called guppy moving average, how these things work. Now it's time to show you the indicator window 1. Here is the indicator window 1. What to do? Simply click on F1 and go to indicator window 1. You need to add from here. Okay, go to indicator 1, stochastic accelerator, and how to choose the parameter of stochastic accelerator. So please look at this point. Okay, 5 3 3 low and high in the simple. Okay guys, this is this one, this one, this one. Apply to simple 1 pixel, and this one also 1 pixel. Okay guys, I hope you guys get that. And for levels, look at this point, how to edit levels. So here is the levels. Okay, you simply need to add the levels from 10 to 19, sorry, from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. No need to add 100. Okay guys, and simply click on done. Now look here, the stochastic is ready. What's next? Look here, the first moving average will be 5 period. Okay guys, in the stochastic window, for adding in stochastic, simply click on this F icon and add moving averages in the stochastics. Now look here, moving averages you need to add. The second one will be 8. Okay, this one will be 13. Okay guys, and that fourth one will be 21, 100, and here is the 200 exponential moving average. What the indicator window 2? Look here, commodity channel index, CCI. Click on period 14, apply to close. And for levels, remember that for levels, 100, minus 100, 140 and minus 140, 2 pixel, and here is all. Okay guys, I simply click on down. Once done, your strategy is set up. And now move on any chart you like to trade. Boom and crash, step index, volatility, all type of index, and your zoom level. I like this level. Look here, 1 and 2. That's enough. Okay, this will be your zoom level, and now it's time to place trade. So first of all, we'll look at this point, M5 time frame. Now look here, that black one, this is your support and resistance line. Look at this point, guys. And once market is started coming down, look here, market is coming down, so it's time to place your trade. And when I see M1 time frame, so it's time to place an spike trade. I hope you guys seen, look here, the spike appear and we are in profit. Okay guys, so this is the strategy. If you guys want to learn this strategy, so feel free come and inbox me. We'll charge $50 and teach you the strategy. Thank you. Have a great day.